What's going on, YouTube? New mod for the Charger coming up here. Compliments of Art Gorski. I thank you so much for this gift, man. Comes straight off of his 2015 Scat Pack. It's a mod that I've been looking to get for a long time here. Stay tuned and see what it is. Alrighty, so been wanting to make the car a lot louder in the way of exhaust, and wife doesn't care for a loud exhaust too much, so I received a gift from Art Gorski for me to have a loud car and a happy wife. So, freshly removed off of his Scat Pack, we have electric cutouts. Just need to get these guys installed, have a muffler shop weld them in, then we'll do the wiring, and it just has a switch for open, close, and instant loud car. When the wife's around, quiet car. Hopefully we'll get this installed sooner or later, and we get to hear it. Now, the other thing that I have going on here is I'm looking at doing a test for oil catch cans. As you know, a lot of you guys have been telling me I need an oil catch can, and I haven't gotten one, but I'm actually going to get one now, and I'm going to do a comparison. I'm going to get a cheaper oil catch can, one from like Billet Technologies, that's about $150. Then I'm going to look at getting one a little bit more expensive. Don't recall the name of this other company offhand, but it's a pretty costly catch can. The cost is upwards of $300. So is there a benefit over buying a more expensive catch can versus just like a Billet Technologies? So that video will be coming here soon as well, so stay tuned. And then also, haven't talked much about this, but I did upgrade the brakes on the Charger. So I have slotted and cross drilled front and rear. I just need to go out and do some testing on the brakes. Now that they've had a chance to seat, I did some testing on the stock brakes, and we'll see what braking distance changes happened. So make sure you subscribe, like the video, and stay tuned because we've got good stuff coming. Here's one of my beautiful neighbors. She's accusing me of talking to myself. I have friends. You guys are my friends, right? I have friends. I really do. Yes. Tell her I have friends. I have friends. Yeah.